Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Apple. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, November 3, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Apple as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.43. Now, let's take a closer look at how the stock has performed during this period. Despite natural fluctuations, the stock is currently experiencing a loss of -0.52% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. This means that, on average, there has been a daily loss of -0.26% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in a downward trend, indicating a potential decrease in the short term. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -3.89% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -9.58% to 0.475%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 33.21% change over the next year, with a potential return between 26.81% and 58.92%. This would result in a price range of $224 to $280.74 after 12 months. Our latest update on Apple reveals that the stock price ended at $176.65 on Friday, experiencing a decrease of 0.518%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 3, 2023, the Apple stock price dropped from $177.57 to $176.65, representing a decline of 0.518%. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $173.35 and a high of $176.82, with a variation of 2%. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has increased by 2.18% and has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days. Although volume has increased by 14 million shares, it has been accompanied by falling prices, which may be an early warning sign. Consequently, there is a slight increase in risk anticipated over the next few days. In total, approximately $13.70 billion worth of Apple shares were bought and sold, with a total of 78 million shares traded. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $198.22, while the lowest was $124.17. Currently, the price is 10.88% or $21.57 below the 52-week high, and 22.61% or $51.61 below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, UBS gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays gave Apple an equal weight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Apple stock. Let's dive in. The moving averages indicate positive forecasts for Apple stock, with buy signals from both short and long-term averages. However, it's important to note that the stock has a general sell signal due to the relation between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In terms of support levels, we have $172.05 and $174.64. If the stock experiences corrections and falls below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Now, let's talk about recent developments. A buy signal was issued on Thursday, October 26, 2023, when the stock reached a pivot bottom point. Since then, it has risen by 5.85%. This suggests that further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. However, it's important to consider some negative signals that have been issued as well. These signals may influence the stock's short-term development. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. This indicates a potential downtrend. It's worth keeping a closer eye on the stock in light of this signal. Lastly, it's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This could be an early warning sign and suggests that the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 11 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 43 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 47 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple's stock finds support from accumulated volume at $176.30. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. Apple is known for its consistent trading volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be low. In the last day, the stock moved $3.47, 2%, between its highest and lowest points. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.78%. This indicates that the stock experiences moderate fluctuations, but nothing too extreme. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Apple, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. Apple's P/E ratio is within a normal range, which is commonly seen in companies with a long history and stable revenue streams. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 31, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $177.97. If you're not already invested in Apple, it may be wise to wait for the stock to break through this level before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple faces a downward trend, its first support level is at $176.30. If this support holds, it could be a potential entry point for traders looking to capitalize on a rebound. Analysts from various sources have given Apple a strong buy rating on average. Now let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades were performed by Kondo Chris, who both bought and sold a total of 22,274 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined a negative insider power ratio of -21.830. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 2,317,906 shares and sold 3,785,262 shares. We recommend setting the stop loss at $170.57, which represents a decrease of 3.44%. This particular stock has relatively stable daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. A buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 6 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple shows some positive signals, but we don't think they are strong enough to consider it a buy candidate. It is better to hold or accumulate this position for now and wait for further developments. When we analyze the volatility and movements of the stock in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 6th, we predict that Apple will open lower by $1.04 and start trading at $175.61. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's essential to understand the risks involved. Please remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us is here to provide information, but it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to show you our current view on the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinion. What's your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.